Hi guys, welcome to the Weihui's video channel. Please see what Weihui does every day. Our R&D team designs PCB boards and discusses key R&D points. From the order to the production workshop, we start selecting boards and materials for the order, scraping solder paste, attaching LED chips. The PCB board passes through a high-temperature furnace to solidify the solder paste, initial testing and inspection of light strips, and storage of semi-finished products. Then the materials are picked up for secondary production, and the assembly process is tested and inspected again, and then packaged and boxed. Finally, we sample and inspect the goods again before shipment. We have records and people in charge of every step. We treat every order as strictly as the first one, and strictly inspect every level of quality, focusing on every detail of the lighting. We never show off our skill, but only do a good job of making every product. Thank you for watching our video and welcome to Weihui. Expecting your visit at any time.